good woodworker's opportunity to have a cup of coffee. I don't know about you, but coffee is kind of the stimulus to get the work done. So I thought I'd take you on a little tour of the woodworking shop, and some of what I want to do in the woodworking or in the lumber business, I want to make it available to the everyday woodworker. So to some degree, I'm posing a question to you who are watching. What makes it fun that you don't have to go to a wood forum or a forestry forum, look at what they have available, ask questions that you have no idea what you're asking, or you don't know what the answers are, because they have terms that really are very difficult to understand for a guy who does woodworking, let alone the person who doesn't do it as a full-time business. So I want to make it enjoyable for you. Give me some feedback. Throw me some questions. What's the best part of the woodworking process? What do you want to see? I'm going to be showing videotapes of other people's projects as well. And so hopefully that'll help to give some interest and be able to make this a lot of fun for everyone. So we're going to take you on a little tour through the wood shop and show you what we have. And it's not even too far to walk, but we walk through our hallway. This is what our wood shop looks like, our lumber store. And our lumber store is taking some transitions right now because we're actually working on a little kiln right now, on a small kiln to be able to show people a little bit of the drying process. And we're drying some big slabs in this little kiln. It'll be going outside here coming up. But we're doing some drying. I just want to show you a little bit about the wood. Here's some exotics, from rosewoods to whinge to African mahogany to, again, curly walnut. There's some Mordeo in here, and even some Coca-Cola, some Ipe, and so all those big names, pretty dense and exotic woods. This wood here is a job that we're working on for flooring. This is all going to be milled into flooring. There's a mixture of different woods in here as we planed it down from the rough stock, but it'll be going into white oak flooring. Over here, we do roots, roots. We take roots for doing hunting displays, for doing mounts, for doing table bases, anything like that, to a whole slew of exotic lumber. And if you like different colors, the exotics have every kind of color you can imagine, from and cool names. So we got tiger wood. We've got, again, some different rosewoods. We've got stuff from almost every country in the world. So it's kind of neat. Over here we have bloodwood. We have exotic purple heart with some crazy figure in it. The bloodwood has grain running all the way through, from your deep reds to really beautiful blacks. So that's part of the exotic list as well, from Padauk. And those of you who like that nice bright orange Padauk that turns nice brown after time, we have all kinds of Padauk as well. So this is Padauk after it ages. This is Padauk before it ages. And it's a beautiful wood. It changes colors over time. So, but I also have from the mahoganies. I try to get all kinds of different wood that somebody would really love. This is a humpback mahogany. It's hard to find, but it's beautiful, beautiful wood for tabletops. Do your 8/4 red oak or 2-inch from poplar. Over here we have walnut. We have pine that's been logged here in Wyoming. The walnut's logged in Wisconsin. To your maples, quarter-sawn red oak comes out of Iowa from a friend of mine there who does some logging and kiln dries it. That's all curly quarter-sawn red oak, which is hard to find but is absolutely beautiful. To slabs, these are some of the slabs that we're working on inside. You saw us in the backyard, some of the things, but these are massive slabs of kiln-dried walnut, and they are big. Again, for making big muscles. These are cherry slabs, and up here we get slabs from 24 inches wide up to sometimes 3 feet wide. Again, these ones here are kiln dried, but that kind of gives you a little bit of an idea of what we're doing in the wood shop. So glad that you could make it. Thanks for joining us in the Woodworking School of Hard Knocks.